Okay, yep. Here, so this is a video about the our issue with the hearing validation. So, yep, what I have here is that I changed the method from asynchronous to just a plain straightforward to synchronous. And also, I moved the connection, the secure connection, from this method into the class level. Let me go to that one. So yeah, this is the secure connection that I instantiated when I also instantiate this class here. Okay, let me fire up the endpoint. Let me call the endpoint so that it will go to that breakpoint. So I'm calling now that endpoint. It should break here. So yeah, we have this breakpoint now. And let me just step through with this and just pressing F. Then I'll just I'm going to press F11 so that it will go to us to the actual method inside of this hearing validation data. So we are now here inside this inside the class which is currently in the hearing validation. So let me just step through this one. So I'll just press the F5 so that it will just break to the. I'm not going to press F10 or F11. I'm just going to press F5. So here, right at this point, we have this unacceptable status. So we're going to change that one into acceptable so that this method here, the test commit test database, test2 database will be executed because right now it won't because of the status which is not acceptable. So I'm going to change this status to acceptable. Hold on. So the status now is changed to acceptable. Let me say, yep, it is acceptable now. So let me just press F10 at this point. Then I'm going to press F11. So I'm pressing F11. So yeah, as you can see, it goes directly to the where the calling function or the entry point was. So it doesn't I don't get any exception here. But what happened is that that method, that commit to database, I think it doesn't. There was an exception, or it doesn't let me step through to that method. Okay, I think that's it.